USDT is the stablecoin that keeps crypto trading steady, while everything else rides the roller coaster. Created in 2014 by Tether Limited, it's the cryptocurrency world's favorite dollar standard, with over 80 billion tokens in circulation. Think of it as digital cash. Each USDT token aims to maintain a perfect 1.1 peg with the US dollar. Unlike Bitcoin's wild price swings, USDT lets traders park their money without watching it evaporate overnight. But how does it work? Tether claims each token is backed by actual dollars, commercial paper, and other assets in their reserves. When you want a USDT, you give them $1, they mint a token. Want your dollar back? They burn the token and return your cash. At least that's how it's supposed to work. USDT is located on multiple blockchains: Ethereum, Trinian, Solana, and others. This multi-chain approach means lower fees and faster trades across different networks. It's the grease that keeps the crypto trading machine running smoothly. Want to get started? Create an account on any major exchange. They all support USDT. Buy tokens directly with fiat currency or trade other crypto for it. Store it in any wallet that supports the blockchain you're using. But like any financial tool, USDT isn't without controversy. Questions about reserve, transparency, and regulatory compliance have dogged Tether for years. Still, it remains crypto's most liquid stablecoin, processing billions in daily trading volume. Exchanges use it as their primary trading pair. Traders use it to dodge volatility. DeFi protocols use it for lending and borrowing. Love it or hate it, USDT is the backbone of the crypto economy. Think of USDT as the crypto world's safety net. Not the most exciting player in the game, but probably the most essential for keeping the whole system running. This has been USDT in 100 seconds, and I see you in the next one.